Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start right now by powering the PS3 off completely. Confirm the red standby light. Once off, press and hold the power button until you hear one beep, then a second. Release on the second beep. Make sure your DualShock is connected via USB and press the PS button. This gives you safe mode access. You're doing this because safe mode exposes the low-level restore options that the regular menus hide, which is essential for a full factory reset. Once in safe mode, navigate the menu with your controller. Take your time. Select option 6, labeled Restore PS3 System. This is the only true factory reset path that wipes system and user data. You'll be prompted to confirm twice. Do that only if you've backed up anything important. This process rebuilds the system files and returns firmware settings to defaults, which is why it resolves deep software corruption, but also removes saved games, accounts, and installed apps. You should wait patiently as the PS3 erases and reinstalls system settings. Do not cut power during this phase, because interruptions can brick the console. Once the device restarts, follow on-screen setup to recreate accounts and restore any backups you prepared. If the restore fails, make sure to try Safe Mode's Rebuild Database option first, and then power down to reseat the hard drive. Loose connections or a failing HDD.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.